This is how to copy a YouTube video description section or the text in the comment section. First, get to the video on your YouTube app. This video is playing and I just paused it. So what I need to do is after the title, I'll tap on this more. This will give me access to all the text in the description. But I can't copy it right here because YouTube does not allow that. So the next step you need to take is to tap on this share button. All right. So once you tap on share button, select copy link. As this link is copied, proceed to your web browser, preferably my Google Chrome. So I'll go with Google Chrome here. So I will long press in this search area and then I will paste the copied link. So I'll select paste, then enter to get to the same YouTube video. And the next step I need to take here is to tap on the more text. All right. So this has displayed the comment. Okay, I will still tap the description. I'll still tap on the more here. So let's say I want to copy this few text at the beginning. I will long press on the first word. You can see it has been selected. I will drag down. So this has been selected and you can see copy icon there. I'll tap on copy. So I'm able to copy the text from this web version. So I'll get to the home screen and then I'll tap on notes. I'll tap on the pencil like icon and then I will long press here and paste it. So this has been pasted. All right, let's say it's the comment section we want to copy. You can follow the same way, get to the comment section, long press on the text and copy. All right, then let's work on method 2. The method 2 involves taking screenshot of that. So here, launch your YouTube app and access the video you want to copy, its description or a comment on it. Okay, this video right now, I want to copy the comment section in it, in this case. So since I copied description in the first method, it involves the same thing, okay? So I will tap inside this comment section and get to a comment I want to copy. Let's say I want to copy this comment left by Nadim Khan, okay? So what I need to do is to take screenshot of this, all right, of the comment, including the video as well. I have taken screenshot now, so I'll get to the home. Once you get to the home, get to the Photos app and tap there. I am on the Photos app, so I'll tap on the screenshot. So here I'm using iPhone. So iPhone can scan the text in a picture. I extract it from there. So I will tap on the text scan icon. So this has scan. So long press on the text you want to copy. You can see the text here have been highlighted. The first word that is in the comment section. I will drag to select all. Okay, then tap on copy. So once you copy it, you can get to home, get to the notes app, and then paste it. I'll press enter. Okay, then I'll paste it here. You can see I've added it here. So any method you want to use the method to copy the text in the description or the text in the comment section. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. There's a product shown here on this video. It's one of the products I sell on my store. So you can make purchase, click on it and buy. Okay, and it's a way of supporting this channel and you're getting a new product too. So it's a win-win for both of us. If you get to the store and you don't like what is displayed here on the screen, you can go through my store. I have a lot of products, mugs, shirts, and different other products you can find there. Thank you and see you some other time.